Our new facility is 100,000 square feet, which enables us to quickly fulfill our orders. Madsen Steel Wire purchased that 7 adjacent acres proactively. Because we were growing so fast, we wanted the ability to expand and keep growing. The benefit of having such a large shipping area enables us to paint, pack, and kit our orders straight off the line, enabling us to run large orders quite efficiently.
Madsen Steel's powder coating meets the AAMA 2603, 2604, and 2605 specifications.
Madsen Steel Wire product is 100% United States made with U.S. steel.
It's important to have a clean part for coating. That's why we installed our 5-stage wash system. This creates the best adhesion so powder does not chip or flake, and it's going to last the longest time. The benefit of having 2 powder coat booths is easy changeover. We can move from one color to the next in a couple of minutes, allowing us to ship faster than anyone else in Michigan. Bonded powder results in less chipping. Investing in an infrared oven means shipping to customers even faster. It has sped our production line up to 12 feet per minute.
What's great about Madsen Steel Wire products is we're 300 miles from the center of America, so we can ship efficiently all around the states. Madsen Steel is very customer focused. We want to build parts the same day as we powder coat them and ship them right out. Madsen packages products specifically to each customer need. And we are currently shipping to 300 different locations in California for a point-of-purchase client. And we're really good at shipping to different locations at one time. We really want to make sure that our customers are getting their product in a safe and intact manner. We're really looking to help big box stores that need point-of-purchase displays or wired shelving, big retailers that need refrigerator shelves and want those shipped out as fast as possible. Highest quality, fastest delivery.